It's kind of damp.
Okay. Aim it over here. I made a tic-tac-toe pattern. And we're going to burn this little fire starter over here. Okay, keep that filming. And I got some kindling over here.
Kindling.
We're going to
Put it on top.
do it just like this. And let's see if we can get this fire started. Okay. Now, it looks like it's going. However, who knows if it will actually catch on.
It might die down.
It might die down. It's looking pretty good, though.
I can smell that fire. It smells like fire.
That's good. And that's how we get the fire cooking. We have, oh, you're not filming. You know? All right, we're gonna make some chicken tonight, but we have to burn all this stuff down. And then after chicken, Jacob, what are we gonna have?
S'mores.
All right, Jacob and I got this fire started. It's looking pretty good. Take a look. All right. Got some bacon. No. Be careful, Jackson. We got fire going on over here. We got some bacon in there. And we're going to cook the chicken in bacon fat. Got this bacon cooking. It's releasing all the oil so we can make it with, put the chicken in the oil, in the bacon fat, give it some extra flavor. I seasoned the chicken with garlic and salt and pepper and ginger. Some other secret spices. Take this bacon out.
Dad, I fell on the ground.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. You got cut?
Okay.
I'll take a look in a sec, okay?
No, I don't have
All right, got chicken in the pan. All right, chicken's almost done. Let's take a look. Looking pretty good. Should be ready in a couple of minutes. Bye. Having no planets or having no solar system, that's my choice.
Would you still have Earth?
Can't have any of it. No?
Would you still have Earth?
Okay.
Yes.
I got too involved in this conversation with Jackson. All right, made my chicken. It came out delicious. It is moist.
But you can't eat it.
Show you.
I need my
There it is. And then I also have
Oh!
some beans, because beans, good and hot.
Bang!
Make you fart in a tot.
Bang! Bang! Bang!
That's so good.
You're gonna fart.
All right, that's it. Bye for now. Gonna go eat.
Oh, you're filming.